Hello students, in this video class we are going to learn about app development. Okay, so this is chapter number 7, app development. Okay, app development. So before starting this chapter, let me tell you the classification of computer, okay? Because under the classification of computer, this topic is available. What is the classification of computer? Now, what is computer actually? It is an electronic device which takes input, processes over the input and gives output. Yes or no? So it works on IPO cycle, input, process and output. Now, when I talk about the classification of computers, we can classify computer into two parts, hardware and software, right? Hardware and software. Hardware and software. Now, what is the difference between hardware and software? The parts which are tangible. The parts which have physical appearance. Which have physical appearance. Okay? The parts which have physical appearance or which are tangible, which can be touched. That is, which can be touched. That is, which can be touched. Okay, and software, the part which cannot be touched. The part which cannot be touched. Okay, the part which cannot be touched. Clear? Now, again, the hardware can be classified into the input devices. IP means input devices. Okay. Then your processing device, that is the CPU. Okay, processing device. Then output device. And some devices are input come output devices. Okay. Input come output devices. Okay, and one more, storage devices. Okay, storage devices. Clear, na? So all the input devices, for example, keyboard, microphone, etc. Okay, this can be touched. So they are also hardware. Processing device, your processor, central processing unit, CPU, it can be touched. So it comes under the hardware. Okay, output device, for example, your monitor, speaker, okay, printer, all these devices can be touched, so it is hardware. Then input come output devices. What is the meaning of input come output? Means the same device which will act as input as well as output device. Okay, for example, your ATM machine, your smartphone. Okay, the same screen which we are touching in order to complete certain task, and over the same screen we are getting some output. Okay, we are able to see the things happening. So our mobile phone, or we can say smartphone, ATM machine, these are input come output devices. Then storage devices. Storage devices, the device which is used to store the data. Okay, so these devices can also be touched. So it comes under hardware. Okay, it comes under hardware. Now software, what is the meaning of software? The part which cannot be touched, or we can say, in other words, we can say group of related programs. What is the meaning of software? Group of related programs. Okay, group of related programs is called as software. Now software is again of three types. Okay, software is again of three types. One is your system software. Okay, one is your system software. The other one is your application software. Application software. And the third one is your utility software. The third one is your utility software. Okay, system software, application software, utility software. Now, what is system software? System software is that software which is required to be installed in our system to make the hardware parts functional. Okay, the hardware parts of the computer are not going to function unless the system software is installed. Clear? So it is like the life of hardware parts. Okay, system software. Because of system software only, the hardware parts become functionable. Clear? For example, the examples of system software is operating system, OS, operating system, any operating system, Windows operating system, Ubuntu operating system, Android operating system. Okay. So the software which gives life to the hardware part is called as system software. Clear? Now application software. So this is what we will discuss in this chapter. Application software. This is our topic. Okay. App development. When I say app, app means application. App means application. Okay. You can call it as application or you can call it as application software. Simply application or application software. Okay, application or application software. What is application software? I will discuss. Then utility software. What is utility software? Like antivirus. Okay, which enhances the functionality of operating system. Okay, which upgrades the quality of operating system. For example, antivirus. It comes under utility software. Now let us discuss about application software or application, in short, app. Okay, what is app? Listen. So application software you can also call it as application only, or you can call it as apps or app. Okay, application software or application or app. So what is this? An app or application, it is the software. It is the software which run on computer, which run on computers, okay, smartphones, or any other compatible electronic device, or any other compatible electronic device. Electronic device. Clear, na? Okay. Now, what is the meaning of compatible? What is the meaning of compatible? This is the mobile application. No, sorry, not mobile application. This is the mobile. Assume this is the mobile. Okay. And assume this is one application, the icon of one application like this. Okay, one application is there. Assume one application is there. Now assume there is another application. Okay, there is another application. This is your app 1. Let me give a name, app 1 and app 2. Suppose you want to install this app in your phone, and if it is not getting installed, okay, if it is not getting installed, it means this app is not compatible with your smartphone, is not compatible with your smartphone, okay. And if you're installing this application in your mobile, this is your mobile, okay, or smartphone, M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile, or you can say smartphone. If this app is getting installed, okay, it means this app is compatible with your smartphone. This app is compatible with your smartphone. Clear? Okay. So this is what compatible word means. So it is the software which run on computers, smartphones, or any other compatible electronic device. Clear? What is the use? It is designed, or you can say developed, or you can say created. You can use any word: designed, developed, created. Okay, it is designed, developed, or created to do task as per the user requirement, as per the user's specific requirement. Specific requirement. Okay, what is the meaning of this specific requirement? Now listen. Suppose in my mobile, if I want to paint, okay, this is my mobile, or you can say smartphone. I want to paint. Okay, task. What is the task? To paint or to edit. Suppose to edit a photo, to edit a photo. Suppose this is the task. Clear? Now, preferable, which app will be preferable? Any editing app? Yes or no? Any editing app? Okay, any editing app we can use. Clear? Can I perform the same task, that is to edit a photo, using WhatsApp? Or yes, you can say one of the feature of WhatsApp. Okay, but generally WhatsApp is not used to edit a photo. WhatsApp is meant for chatting. Okay, or sending pics. Clear, na? Clear? Now camera. The camera app. The camera app is generally used for taking photos. Now you might be thinking there are certain options in camera app also, which help us in editing a photo. It is there, but what is the general use of camera? To take pics. To take pics. Clear? Now suppose Adobe Acrobat, Adobe Reader. What is the task of this particular application? To read PDF files. To read PDF files. Okay. So to edit a photo, if the task is to edit a photo, so we can install any editing app, any photo editing app. Any photo editing app can be installed in our system, that is mobile. So WhatsApp is not preferable in such case, camera is not preferable, Adobe Reader is not preferable, or any other app is not preferable. Okay, for example, MS Word. Okay, MS Word is not preferable. For example, Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, it is not preferable. Clear, na? So, what was my point? It is designed or developed or created to do tasks as per the user specific requirement. Okay, according to the requirement, there is a specific app which will do that particular task only, not other task. Clear, na? So this is app or application software. Clear? Clear, na? Now listen. Yes, one thing more. Suppose this is your normal phone, MI phone. Okay, MI phone, having Android operating system. Having Android operating system. OS means operating system. And suppose this is your iPhone. Okay, this is your iPhone. This has, okay, having iOS operating system. iOS operating system. Okay, so this is your mobile 1, okay, or smartphone 1. This is your smartphone, or you can say mobile 2. Now suppose this app is the Android app. Okay, suppose this app is the Android app, and suppose this app is the what we say, iPhone app. Suppose iPhone app. Okay, iPhone app. Now just imagine this app is Android app and this app is iPhone app. Now this Android app can be installed in mobile 1 because it has Android operating system. So Android apps are compatible with Android operating systems. But if I will try to install it in iPhone, okay, I will not be able to do so. Okay, because it is not compatible with this operating system. Similarly, it can be installed here, all right, not issue, but here it cannot be installed. It cannot be installed. So the Android app or Android apps are compatible with Android operating system, and iPhone apps are compatible with iOS operating system. Okay, so we cannot install Android apps over iOS operating system. Similarly, we cannot install iPhone apps over Android operating system because both have different environment, different backgrounds. Clear, no? Okay. Now one thing more. See, Android apps can be downloaded. Note, Android apps can be downloaded from Play Store. Okay, from Play Store and iPhone apps. iPhone apps from App Store na, can be downloaded from App Store. Just remember this. Huh? Okay. Now let us discuss about types of apps. Types of apps. Okay, let us discuss about types of apps. Types of apps. Okay, so types of apps. Desktop apps. Okay, web apps. And the third one is mobile apps. Clear? Desktop apps, web apps, and mobile apps. So these are designed or you can say developed for desktop or laptops. For desktops or laptops. Okay, so desktop apps can be installed, okay, and can be used on desktops or laptops. Clear? Okay. Example to type To type a letter, we need what? MS Word. So what is MS Word? It is a desktop app. It is a desktop app. Clear, na? Okay. Now web apps. Web apps are, these are browser based apps. Browser based apps. Okay. Means we have to visit the website and then these apps can be used. Okay. We have to visit the websites and then we can use it. And then we can use it. Okay. For example, WhatsApp. Okay. For example, WhatsApp. Listen. Now let me show it to you. Suppose Google Chrome. Let me open Google Chrome. Let me type www.facebook.com. Okay, enter. Now this is the, on the top right side, this button is the bookmark button. Okay, just click over here. Here you can say bookmark added, name, Facebook login or sign up, folder, bookmarks bar. Now if I click on this drop down button, okay, choose another folder. Okay, now here can I create another folder? Yes, there is an option new folder. Now under the bookmarks bar, I've created a new folder. Now let me give the name to this, social networking. Okay, so CIL, social networking, NETWORKING, social networking, and click on save button. Okay, now if I click over here, okay, social networking done. Now let me open another one. Suppose WhatsApp, WHATS, WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp, WhatsApp. Now this one. Let me click on the bookmark icon again, and then the folder is social networking. Let it be like this, and then click on done button. Okay. Now if I click over here and click on social networking, okay, save. Let me open it again. Social networking, more, social networking. Yes, see here, here is the folder, social network. You can see here the folder got created here, social networking. So when I click over here, so I'm getting Facebook login or sign up and WhatsApp. So similarly, we can add many websites here. Okay, and we will directly get the web page, the front page, or we can say the home page. So this is how we can bookmark any website. Clear, no? Okay. So this is web app. So we have to visit the website and then we can use it. Clear? Now mobile apps. These are designed. These are designed to run on a smartphone. To run on a smartphone. okay, or a tablet, or a tablet. Clear? Since the mobiles, or you can say smartphones, have limited memory, have limited memory, they are designed accordingly. The apps are designed, the mobile apps are designed accordingly. 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 Okay, so that they can work. So that they can work. Clear? Okay. So just now we learned what? That apps are of three types. Yes or no? Apps are of three types. What are they? The first one was desktop apps. The second one is web apps. And the third one is mobile apps. Mobile apps. Okay, so this we have discussed. This is also introductory part we have discussed. Now mobile apps can again be classified into two types. Mobile apps can again be classified into two types. One is your native apps, okay, and the other one is your hybrid apps. Hybrid apps. What is the meaning of native apps? What is the meaning of native apps? These are designed. These are designed according to the device, according to the specification of the device, according to the specifications of the device. Sometimes they are inbuilt. Sometimes they are inbuilt. Okay. Example, your camera app. Okay. Camera app. Your message app. Or you can say your contact app, okay, etc. And some native apps are downloaded. They can also be downloaded from Play Store and then can be used. Okay. So these native apps, the third point is some native apps do not require internet connection. Do not require internet connection. Internet connection. Okay. So what is hybrid? Hybrid, it is the combination of both web app and native app. It is the combination of both web app and native app. For example, your Facebook Messenger. Okay, Facebook Messenger. Clear? So this, you can use Facebook on your desktop as well as in your mobile, and internet connection is required. Here, internet connection is required. Here, internet connection is required. Here, internet connection is required. Clear? Okay. So hybrid apps can also be downloaded from Play Store and then we can use it. So some data will be available in the host computer, that is the main computer or the server of the Facebook, and some data will be available in our phone. Okay, that is the reason why this is called as hybrid app. Okay, it is the combination of web app and native app. Clear na? So we can classify apps into three parts: desktop apps, web apps, mobile apps. Now mobile apps, again we classified into two types: native apps and hybrid apps. Native apps are designed according to the specifications of the device. Okay, or else they will not work. So sometimes they are inbuilt. Inbuilt means when you purchase the mobile, the application is already available. That is called as inbuilt. Okay, sometimes they are inbuilt. For example, camera app, message app, contact app, etc. And the third point here I have written, some native apps do not require internet connection to operate. And what about hybrid app? This is the combination of both web app and native app. Facebook Messenger is the example. Here internet connection is required. Here some data are available in our mobile and some data are available in the main server of the company. Clear? So this is all about the contents which I've had to discuss in today's class. Okay, so in next class we will discuss uses of common apps. Okay, so bye bye. Thank you. Practice. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Okay.